We're getting this ground report by my colleague Vijay Kao. He in fact went to one of the addresses where one of the companies which would donated 50 lakh rupees to the Aam Aadmi Party is registered. Look at what he found there. This is the entire sequence of events that took place. 50 lakh rupees given by this particular company registered in Delhi. But what is the address at which they are registered? Look at what we found there.
I am right now outside D8 Gokul-Puri in East Delhi area, and this is a shop which holds the address of D8 Gokul-Puri. This is the old DDA market in Gokul-Puri area. As you can see, this is a red colored shop. It is shut. It happens to be a storeroom and a warehouse of sorts. As per the website of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, D8 Gokul-Puri has been registered in the name of Goldmine Buildicon Private Limited. The website of Ministry of Corporate Affairs very clearly states that the authorized capital and the paid up capital of this particular company, Goldmine Buildicon Private Limited, is 10 lakh rupees, and also that the date of incorporation and the registered address of this particular company is D8 Gokul-Puri, New Delhi. Ironically and very interestingly, this same company, Goldmine Buildicon Private Limited, is also a donor of the Aam Aadmi Party, and this fact is proved by the website of the Aam Aadmi Party, which shows as donor name Goldmine Buildicon Private Limited. The country of present residence is India, state is Delhi, and it also gives a transaction ID of the donation, and the donation amount is very clearly stated as 50 lakh rupees, and also the fact that the donation date is April 5th, 2014. Now, Goldmine Buildicon Private Limited also is the company that has been named by the Awam, which is the breakaway faction of the Aam Aadmi Party, which they have accused Aam Aadmi Party of using this particular company as a bogus company to route donation money. When we spoke to the residents of this particular area, they told us that in Gokul-Puri there are two D8 addresses. One is this, the old DDA market, and one is the new D8 in the new market. Let's talk to a few of these people and try and ask them who does this shop belong to and what business transaction happens over here. Sir, अपना नाम बताइए, ये बताइए आप कब से आपकी दुकान यहाँ पर है और ये पता क्या पता है? ये
यमुना विहार में रहते हैं और वो क्या नाम है, मित्तल जनरल स्टोर की दुकान है इनकी, C5 की मार्केट में।
ये जो दुकान है इसका क्या एड्रेस है, क्या लोकेशन?
इसका D8 और DDA मार्केट गोकुलपुरी।
कब से ये दुकान है? उस दुकान में क्या होता है, आपको क्या पता है? कुछ पता है ये दुकान किसकी है और क्या होता है?
हाँ, ये बताते रहे पवन कुमार मित्तल।
कितने साल से दुकान है यहाँ पर?
दुकान तो मेरे ख्याल से ये ऑलरेडी है दुकान, जब से 74 से बसी है, कॉलोनी है।
आप यहाँ, आपकी भी दुकान सामने है, आपने क्या देखा है दुकान में, क्या काम होता है?
दुकान में ये फिलहाल ये परसों ही वैसे तो बंद पड़ी थी।
कब से?
बहुत दिनों से बंद पड़ी है,
लगभग
8-10 साल से।
अच्छा।
और उससे पहले भी बंद थी।
ठीक है।
पर अभी ये 2 दिन पहले इसमें फ्रूटी रोटी का कुछ आइटम भरी है।
आप बता रहे थे किसके नाम पे दुकान है, क्या पूरा नाम बताइए, वो कहाँ के रहने वाले, क्या करते हैं?
पवन कुमार मित्तल है, यमुना विहार में C5 की मार्केट में, ये प्रोविजन स्टोर की दुकान है। अच्छा,
आप बताइए सर, क्या जानते हैं दुकान के बारे में, क्या एड्रेस है, किसके नाम पे दुकान है, कब से बंद है?
बहुत पुरानी दुकान है ये, जब से गोकुलपुरी बसी जब से दुकान है, समझ लो। चालू भी रही थी, बीच में बंद हो गई है ये।
So there you go. The residents of the old DDA market in Gokul-Puri say that this particular shop has been intermittently been opened and closed over the past many years. However, it largely remains shut. With video journalist Manish Karakoti, this is Vijay Kao in Gokul-Puri for Times Now. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs website mentions the address of Goldmine Buildicon Private Limited as D8 Gokul-Puri. However, when Times Now actually reached the Gokul-Puri area in East Delhi, we found that there are two addresses of the same particular credentials, which is D8 Gokul-Puri. We just showed you D8 Gokul-Puri, which falls under the old DDA market, and behind me is D8 Gokul-Puri, which falls under the new DDA market in this particular area. This is a jewelry shop. However, on the website of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, it is supposed to be Goldmine Buildicon Private Limited. Let's go inside and talk to the owner and the proprietor of this shop and try and find out what exactly is this shop all about. Sir, अपना नाम बताइए और अपनी दुकान का पता बताइए।
हमारा नाम नंद किशोर है और नंद किशोर ज्वेलर्स के नाम से दुकान है।
आपकी दुकान कितने साल से यहाँ पर है?
करीब हो गए 26 साल।
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स सरकार का एक विभाग है, मंत्रालय है, उसमें लिखा गया है कि ये जो D8 गोकुलपुरी है ये गोल्ड माइन बिल्डिकॉन नाम की किसी कंपनी का है। क्या ये किसी ऐसी नाम की कंपनी यहाँ पर चलती है?
कोई कंपनी का नहीं है, ये तो जो DDA जो मार्केट का है उसमें दुकान 7-8 है ये।
तो आप अपनी दुकान का पूरा फिर से नाम और नंबर बताएंगे गोकुलपुरी में क्या है?
DDA मार्केट DDA न्यू मार्केट है, दुकान नंबर 7-8 है, गोकुलपुरी दिल्ली 94।
D8 है ये क्या?
DDA 7-8 दो दुकान है ये।
अच्छा, तो ये भी D8 में ही आता है आपका।
D8।
तो there you go. Two shops of the same address here in Gokulpuri area. However, both shops do not have a company operating by the name of Goldmine Buildicon Private Limited, as mentioned on the website of Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and also as claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party on their website as one of the donors. With video journalist Manish Karakoti, this is Vijay Kao in Gokulpuri for Times Now.